Hello guys, welcome to Susan's Place. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to see it. So today we'll be learning how to make hibiscus leave-in conditioner. But first of all, I'll be telling you the 5 benefits of hibiscus tea to our hair. So the number 1 benefit is that it prevents hair dryness and breakage. It also prevents itching and dandruff. The number 2 benefit is that it keeps our hair shining and healthy. Number 3 benefits is that it helps gives our hair its natural color and prevents premature graying. It also strengthens our hair roots. So the number 4th benefit is that it stimulates new hair growth. And then the 5th benefit is that it contains amino acids that enhances blood circulation to our natural hair follicles. So these are the 5 benefits of hibiscus tea in our natural hair. So with me here, I have all the items that will be needed for this production. First is our hibiscus flower, and then the second item is our argan oil, and then the other item is our olive oil. You can use any olive oil of your choice, but I'm using Goya. And aloe vera gel. You can use the fresh aloe vera gel. This is our glycerin, vegetable glycerin. This is our Germalben preservative. You'll be needing a preservative for this production. This is our shea butter. We all know that shea butter is very good and rich in our hair. This is our avocado oil. And then we also have our peppermint oil, which stimulates hair growth. It's very good for hair growth. It has this nice menthol and it's so nice. And then we have our emulsifying wax to thicken it, to mix the oils and everything together. And then we also have our stearic acid. So at this point, so I already gave you the benefits of our hibiscus flower. So this is the point where we start our production. So first of all, I'll be washing the hibiscus flower and putting it in a pot. I'll rinse it off just in case there are sand and dirt. I'll be rinsing that off, and then I'll be putting this in a pot. I'll let it boil for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then, so I'm done with the rinsing, and I'm gonna put this on fire, guys. So this will be going into my gas. Then the next step comes up. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so at this point I'll be measuring some glycerin into our bowl. So I'll be adding some tablespoons of stearic acid into our glycerin. I'll also be measuring some tablespoons of emulsifying wax into the same bowl containing our glycerin and stearic acid. And then this will be going into my gas through using the double boiler. So right now I'm going to use a double boiling method to dissolve this. At this point, hibiscus tea is ready, so I'll just be sieving this and extracting our juice from the flower. So our juice is ready. So in here I'll be measuring some tablespoons of aloe vera gel into our hibiscus tea, and then I'll be measuring some glycerin as well into our hibiscus tea. Then at this point, my stearic acid, EWAS, and glycerin have been completely melted. So this is the point where I add my shea butter. Usually I like it more when I melt my shea butters naturally. I don't like melting it on fire, so that it will retain all the nutrients that it has. So I'm just going to dissolve this. I'm going to dissolve the shea butter. At this point, our shea butter is completely melted, so I'm going to add it to the bowl of other items that I already have here. So this is the point where I stir and blend. So this will help us turn this into a paste. Okay, so this is the point where I blend my conditioner. You can also use a hand mixer for this process if you like, but I prefer using my blender because it's less stressful. So this is the consistency we have at this point. We are done blending and our conditioner is ready. See how yummy this looks, guys. So this is the point where we add our olive oil. Like I said earlier, you can use any olive oil of your choice, but I choose to use Goya. You can use any olive oil of your choice. So we also add Argan oil. You can also use the varieties of argan oils that you can use. So, but this is the one I'm using. And then you can see how yummy this looks. And this is the point where we add our peppermint oil. Peppermint oil helps to stimulate hair growth. It also helps eradicate dandruff and itching from our hair. This is the point where we also add avocado oil. Avocado oil is very, very nice on our natural hair. It makes the hair so rich. So, and this is also the last stage where we add a Germalben preservative. I won't be needing much of this because it's so powerful. So, our hair conditioner is ready. A leave-in conditioner, so you can apply this mixture to your hair and leave it. It will soften your hair, and not only soften your hair, it grows the hair. I've already told you all the benefits of hibiscus tea to our natural hair. You can imagine what this conditioner will do to your hair, guys. So try this out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Drop your comments on the comment section. I will be dropping all the items and measurements on the description box. So guys, tell me what you think about this video. Tell me what you think about this conditioner. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.